नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द ग्रैंड फिनाले ऑफ कुछ बातें ऐसी भी, द शो जहां हमने हर एपिसोड में की है दिल से बातें, थोड़ी हंसी, थोड़ी मस्ती और बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन।
बिल्कुल हनी, और आज का एपिसोड है स्पेशल क्योंकि हम हनी और रेनू बन गए हैं एक दूसरे के गेस्ट। मतलब आज हम खुद से मिलेंगे, खुद को समझेंगे और शायद थोड़ा सा खुद पे ही हंस लेंगे।
हाँ रेनू, और याद है जब हमने पहला एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड किया था, माइक तो ऑन था पर कॉन्फिडेंस गायब।
अरे वो तो आज भी है, लेकिन हर एपिसोड के साथ हमने सीखा, समझा और सबसे जरूरी कनेक्ट किया आप सबसे।
तो चलिए आज के इस स्पेशल एपिसोड में हम ले चलते हैं आपको एक सफर पर, हमारे फेवरेट मोमेंट्स, बिहाइंड द सीन कहानियां और वो सब कुछ जो आपने सुना नहीं पर जरूर महसूस तो किया ही होगा।
रेडी हो जाइए क्योंकि ये है कुछ बातें ऐसी भी का सीजन फिनाले, जहां बातें होंगी दिल से और हंसी होगी फुल ऑन।
तो शुरू करते हैं कुछ बातें ऐसी भी।
This is our season finale. We've had some amazing guests in the last 10 episodes. We've
Yes.
had really amazing guests.
Hoping for new ones. Now in the next episode we are just waiting.
Yes. So, honey, tell me, which was your most favorite episode?
So my most favorite episode was of Shefali Sharma, frankly, because I don't know anybody who's gone through such a tough life. हम movies में देखते हैं, हम serials में देखते हैं, मैंने कभी किसी को सुना नहीं था कि इस तरह की भी जिंदगियां होती हैं. Because she was just 14 when all this happened and my younger one is 14, and it just struck me, my God, she must have been so young. She must have been a child who should be playing down, you know, doing mistakes, galtiyan kar rahi hai, maar kha rahi hai. She should be doing that, not taking the whole responsibility of her family. So that is really very close to my heart.
Yes, I agree. I somehow what Shefali had faced, even Mona had the similar
Correct. She was 19,
story.
Shefali was 14.
Yeah.
So that is not the age where you should be able to
You should have that burden of
what
taking care
happens
of the
is-
family.
Correct. And I think एक बार बचपन अच्छा गुजर जाए ना, and एक बार बचपन अच्छा गुजर, what I feel is अभी भी जो मेरे struggles हैं, मैं काफी कुछ झेल लेती हूँ because I've had a beautiful childhood. I've had such a lovely childhood. तो वो memories रहती हैं. You know, it was never a struggle. It was such a lovely childhood. So that I think is very close to my heart.
Yes, I agree to this. For me, again, I think Mona Tanna was something very inspiring for me, and I cannot forget what Sushma ji had done.
Right.
Her story literally blew me away. She had a very settled life in America. She was living a good life there, and then, but just for her child's sake, she decided to come to India, and in the process, she has changed so many other lives. That is something that we need to applaud. We need to be
And it's a job with a lot of patience. How much patience she has.
Yes.
How much patience she has.
The kind of interview that she had given us.
Yeah.
That only shows that she has a lot of patience.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. These are the women that we actually, and every single person that came on our show, every single person was inspiring. It was
Agreed.
absolutely
Even Neeta's the story was difficult. She went through something for 17-18 years. It wasn't easy. You know, come out of it so strong and happy.
I agree.
And she's managed to do it. I think even her story.
And the best part was that she was very honest about it. There was no filter. There was no she never
No hiding.
told us. She never told us that these are the questions you cannot ask.
Correct.
She was okay with all.
And that's the reason I think we went ahead, because that was the first sensitive topic we actually discussed in our
covered.
podcast.
Yes,
That is why.
I agree. How has hosting changed you, honey?
Hosting has made it more interesting for me now that vacuum was coming. Since my kids are grown up, I need to meet more interesting women. Now you can't sit down on the bench and talk about other people, and अब नहीं होता. I mean, हमने किया, वो भी किया हमने. The gossip session. Gossip तो हमने बहुत किया.
हमने तो किए हैं.
But now I don't feel it's the urge. It is not necessary. Why should I? मतलब क्या जरूरत है? This is what I was missing. I was missing telling stories of other these strong women who have मतलब उनके focus की वजह से ही they have reached where they have reached, right? They have not got involved themselves into all these petty small things. Like Shefali said, if there is a problem in your house, sort it. Don't keep talking about it everywhere, right? Because she's seen bigger problems. So, you know, that is what has changed. Meeting these lovely women, waiting for every Saturday for the podcast to come. I used to just wait. 10 baje se I used to start pinging Renu. Hua, nahi hua. So, this was the fun part.
Yes, I agree. For me, the fun part would be the thing that Actually, there are two takeaways for me. First, all the episodes, everybody stressed on one thing: friendship. You need to have good friends. You need
And
to
you
have
need to
people-
invest time in friends. You have to invest.
Yes.
You have to give them time.
You have to give them time, and there are times when you miss. The crux of the matter is that you need to have friends.
Yes. Agreed.
So if your friends are there, you
And
can
we've been
actually
lucky.
cruise. And yes,
And we've been really lucky.
We've been really lucky with this. But if you have friends, you usually cruise through your troubles.
Correct.
At least there is someone who you can speak to. But and second, my most important takeaway was that you have to be financially independent.
Yes.
Every single story that we had covered stressed on the fact that you have to be financially
And it
independent.
could be any kind of money. It need not be in lakhs. It could be any
Yes.
kind of money which you're earning yourself.
Yourself.
Which is your money.
It is your money.
Yes.
That is very,
Because
very
your
important. Even
kids-
for that matter, when we interviewed Krishma and Preet, their main thing was that we wanted to be financially independent.
Correct.
We want to have our own money.
And we want to feel
spend.
useful.
Yes.
It's not just that घर पे बैठे हैं something
बैठे,
like that.
वैसा वाला नहीं. They just wanted to have their own money.
Correct.
So that brings a lot of confidence in every single individual when you have your own money.
Agreed. Completely agree.
What has been your most toughest or the most funniest moment?
So tough moment I can tell you is about with Umar Eleji, because I was really worried because उस topic के बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम है. I don't know dancing. I don't know and dancing भी Bollywood dancing ठीक है. I don't know Kathaks and I don't know things about.
We don't know the technical part.
I
of
didn't
it.
even know there was a dance form called Kuchipudi. मुझे नहीं मालूम था. So for me to actually research, talk, so that we sound confident, we sound.
Yeah.
That was a difficult.
Of course,
That was a difficult
entire
episode.
concept of Naikas, and that was very interesting.
That was it is very interesting. It is very interesting. पर हमने कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं ना, जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
तो हम
गाने तो हम सुन.
टेक्निकली मैं तो वैसी हूँ जो स्नेक डांसिंग में विश्वास करती हूँ.
Exactly.
आओ चलो तो ओनली माय गो टू स्टेप इज स्नेक डांस.
What Krishma does it beautifully. So Saap dances, Nagin dance is like very
Nagin
popular.
dance, yes.
Nagin dance.
दैट इज कॉल्ड नागिन डांस.
Yes.
तो नागिन डांस मेरे को बहुत कंफर्टेबली और बहुत नेचुरली आता है.
Yes. बाकी फिर
बाकी का कुछ नहीं
So
आता.
Umaji was a difficult topic.
Yes.
And I think the funniest topic was with Divya with the travel this thing. When I was trying to say something and trying to form a question and both of you all were looking at me very funnily, so that was really
You mispronounced.
yeah, and then we had to wait for quite some time till the laughing stopped, so that was one more good topic.
Traits you come to admire in each other. I want you to say something good about me now.
First of all, you're a fantastic writer. You write really, really well. That everybody has told you. अब ये podcast के दौरान also everybody must have told you that the writing is really nice, very powerful. So which is amazing. And second is because you've decided that you want to do this, it's very difficult for you. You're going in the morning 8 o'clock, you're catching a train, going to Prabha Devi, coming back, and then trying to manage this where most of the writing you're doing, so that you're doing that. So that is hats off.
Now this makes my day. It's very hard to actually squeeze out a compliment from myself from her, but that actually truly made my day. Though the thing that I admire about her is that she's extremely social, and socializing absolutely tires me. And she is very social. Everybody knows her. Every single person knows her, and that made things very easy for me because she would get the most interesting stories from everywhere, and we were successful in interviewing those women, those amazing women. So you have to the hats off to her for being so social.
Yeah.
And getting the energy to be so social. मेरे को एक ऐसे स्ट्रेंजर से मिला और मैं 3 दिन तक एकदम अपने आप को सिक्योर्ड रख लूँगी कि नहीं भाई मैंने अपनी एनर्जी कलेक्ट करनी है दो पहले. But she is really good. So any topic that changed your perspective or left a lasting impact?
Like I said, first of all, it is, of course, it is Shefali. Shefali was very close to my heart. Mona ka topic is really, really close to my heart because she's such a laughing, chirpy lady. She's always laughing and hello, honey, how are you? And this and that. You never understand the kind of pain she must have. She's hiding with her. You don't know. हमको नहीं समझ में आता. एंड वी मेक, हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को बहुत बड़ा बना देते हैं. इसने तो कितना आराम से बोल दिया कि मैं 16 की थी, फिर मैंने ट्यूशन लेना चालू कर दिया, फिर मैंने इट वाजंट इजी, बट शी मेड इट साउंड सो इजी कि मैंने कर लिया. वैसा था. एंड देयर वाज नो रिग्रेट, देयर वाज नो व्हाई मी, वो सब नहीं था. यू अंडरस्टूड. कहीं भी उसने शी डिडंट से व्हाई मी, क्यों मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. शी नेवर सेड.
I still remember how I was when I was 16. I had to be woken up by my mother to
Exactly.
go to college,
Exactly.
to go to school. I was absolutely bumbling, and an absolute bumbling idiot. Could not take anything seriously. I think when you hear stories like that, you're just thankful that these things never happened to you.
Correct.
Because you would not have survived.
In fact, even Vinti's story to a certain extent also. Vinti's story was very tough. See, with Madhu, at least there was a support system. There was a house. There was a husband who was earning. So it was her struggle during her corporate life that was fine. With Vinti and all that, it is such a big struggle. I mean, she took over the whole family ka this thing at a very young age. You know.
Yeah.
So yes, these are.
And means when you're in Bihar, things become very unexpected.
Yes.
Very
and you have to be so brave. My
yes,
God, you have to be so
the
brave.
kind of life that she's had, though this was not there in the podcast, but she's had her tough time as well.
Yes.
We had to edit it out, yes, but yeah. Mention some memorable listener feedback.
So like I said, Uma is there in my complex, and she's got a small child, and she travel, मतलब वो within Bombay जाती है with her, but she said, honey, जब से मैंने आपका podcast सुना ना, that you should travel, you should not wait for people, and that's when I decided that no, now I will start traveling. And she started traveling. She went to Assam. That was her first trip alone with her child, a small child. It's a small child. 4-5 साल की लड़की है, उसके साथ alone she traveled to Assam, and she enjoyed herself. So that was a really nice feedback for me, you know, that you took away the nice part from my podcast, which is good.
For me, it was the feedback that I got that my voice was not clear, and my voice sounded muffled and very low. So that is something that, yes, I had to work on. And so what do we see? What does the future hold for us?
So basically, everybody has told, more or less, most of the friends have told, please हमको video podcast चाहिए. We want to put the faces on the voice. So video podcast is what I think we should give it a shot. Maybe maybe after the next season also, could be after 11 more episodes. So we are more confident taking interviews.
Yes, there is a thing that Honey wants to do it. I am a little reluctant because I am not too sure whether I am ready for a video podcast. And moreover, I actually feel that people are honest, people are comfortable, people are ready to, open up because it is an audio podcast.
Agreed. Most of the women will not be comfortable.
Means when you talk about touchy topics like divorces or even for that matter what Shefali or
and there are emotions na, फिर वो सारा दिखेगा,
yes,
capture होगा, because
like Mona Tanna or for that matter even Neeta Menden had to face. I'm not too sure they would be that comfortable in front of the camera talking
Correct.
about it.
Correct.
So there's
and we don't
always,
want to gain points with that कि हम लोग see we are showing them crying or we are showing them
yes,
परेशान.
this is not something
this is not right.
that even I am comfortable with or you are comfortable with. So it is they being comfortable, we being comfortable, and so that we can actually bring you a very unfiltered and a very relatable
Conversations, yes.
Yes, so that is the reason why I am a little reluctant about going in front of the camera. And for me, the future would still hold a lot of interesting stories, a lot of women who
powerful women
living very unconventional lives, choosing very unconventional paths. So this is something that you should actually wait for.
True.
So let's hear what our listeners have to say.
Hello everybody. I just have to give a huge shout out to the amazing host of Kuch Baatein Aisi Bhi, Honey, and my dearest Rin. You two have this incredible knack of turning every episode into something that feels really a deep, meaningful chat with friends. One episode that really stayed with me was my favorite episode. That was Shefali Sharma. What an inspiring woman she was. And Vinity, the certified yoga and fitness coach, she made me rethink how to approach wellness. Hani and Renu, you both are awesome. You're doing just an amazing job spotlighting stories that truly matters. Keep doing what you do the best. We are all hooked. All the best.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, कुछ बातें ऐसी भी ये पॉडकास्ट सुना तो होगा आपने. I got hooked to it right from the time I heard the teaser. वाह, रेनू एंड हनी क्या काम किया है. I'm amazed by our efforts in research and keeping us engaged. Each story was resilient and courageous. Shefali, Madhu, Neeta, Mona, Preet, Krishma and बाकी सब. Please keep shining and inspiring us. I love you all. I know the season 1 is done. But yeah, I look forward for season 2. And as always, best wishes to Hani and Renu. Take care. Bye.
Kuch Baatein Aisi Bhi is a fantastic podcast since it offers a motivating stories on women, and it opens an honest conversation about complex issues. I like how the way Hani and Renu, you all both listen actively and ask questions, and you make it so comfortable for the women to share their stories. I was touched by Shefali Sharma and Mona Tanna's journey, as how at a very young age they started working hard and have reached to the position, which is really inspiring. I think you all should continue doing this, and I wish you all the best, and keep doing the podcast.
Hello Team KBAB. Listening to your podcast from last 3 months, and honestly, all interviews are very inspiring and motivating. Thank you very much to all lovely ladies for sharing such encouraging and enlightening journeys of your hard work, struggle and success. I can conclude the life learning lesson after listening to you all is, every problem has smart solutions and every struggle has fruitful emotions. Now Hani and Renu, you both are truly amazing yaar, for bringing such a thoughtful concept of giving exposure to every woman's secret mind, for expressing their freedom, their space, self-love, self-respect, and so many things. You both have done such a brilliant job in creating a very impressive question series with your funful punches and laughter in between also. So keep flowing, keep growing more and more with KBAB, and all the very best for your upcoming and interesting season 2 also. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Love, ममता.
मैं रेनू और हनी की बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने कुछ बातें ऐसी भी जैसे खूबसूरत शो का इजाद किया. ये इतना खूबसूरत एक पॉडकास्ट है जो हम जैसे साधारण महिलाओं को एक दूसरे से जोड़ता है. जो खास 3 एपिसोड मुझे बहुत पसंद आए वो है कैफे अर्पण, मोना तन्ना और शेफाली जी की जिंदगी. इनको देख के बहुत बहुत प्रोत्साहन मिलता है कि मुझ जैसे ऐसे बहुत सी महिलाएं हैं जिनकी कहानियां बहुत सिंपल हैं, जिनकी जिंदगी बहुत सिमिलर है. हो सकता है हमारे रास्ते हमारे मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए अलग अलग हों, लेकिन इन सब की संघर्षों के बारे में सुन के हमको बहुत ज्यादा प्रोत्साहित महसूस होता है. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये शो आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहे और हम लोगों को और भी बेहतर एपिसोड्स आगे मिलते रहें. रेनू और हनी, आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
तो दोस्तों, ये था हमारा आखिरी एपिसोड इस सीजन का. कुछ बातें ऐसी भी.
और क्या सफर रहा. हर एपिसोड में हमने बस बातें ही नहीं की, एक कनेक्शन भी बनाया आपके साथ और एक दूसरे के साथ भी.
हाँ रेनू, और ऑनेस्टली अगर आप लोग सुन रहे हैं तो एक बात जरूर समझ लीजिए, हम जितना एंटरटेन करते हैं ना उतना ही आपसे इंस्पायर भी होते हैं.
बिल्कुल, हर फीडबैक, हर कमेंट, हर डीएम, सबने हमारा शो को बहुत बेहतर बनाया है। आप लोग हमारे असली हीरोज हो।
तो अब क्या करें, माइक बंद कर दें या एक और सीजन के लिए का वादा ले लें?
हनी, वादा अभी नहीं, सस्पेंस तो थोड़ा छोड़ना पड़ेगा ना। लेकिन एक बात क्लियर है, दिस इज नॉट अ गुड बाय, इट्स अ सी यू सून।
तो दोस्तों, जाने से पहले एक जरूरी बात,
हाँ भूलना मत, हमें फॉलो करो इंस्टाग्राम और स्पॉटिफाई पर, हैंडल वही है @बातें ऐसी भी।
और यूट्यूब पे तो सब्सक्राइब करना कंपलसरी है।
वैसे अगर आपके पास ऐसी अभी और कहानियां हैं जो दिल को छू जाए या हंसी ले आए तो हमें लिखना मत भूलिएगा।
ईमेल आईडी याद है ना, batein@gmail.com।
तो चलो दोस्तों, अब मिलेंगे जल्दी ही एक नए सीजन के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।
बाय फ्रॉम कुछ बातें ऐसी भी।